Canaan from Basin Motorsports back for yet another episode here in the garage. So tonight I want to talk to you a little bit about something different than what my normal content is. Now I mentioned a couple weeks ago, or probably a month ago, that I went to SEMA. And one of the things I took away from some of the seminars I went to in that was that people and a lot of business owners in that really want creative work done for them, but they can't find, and honestly, they really don't understand or know how to find a creator. So I sat down and made kind of like a tutorial together, and I want to kind of share with you 10 things that you as a person, a business, or anything else, that when you're looking for a content creator for your business or your brand, I've got 10 things I want to share with you on what you need to look for to find the perfect content creator for you. So the first tip I have is that you need to know what you want done. Now, a lot of times this is going to be, you can decide this on if it's going to be, you want video content, you want written word content, you want articles, blogs, or maybe you want audio for a podcast, etc., etc., etc. Whatever kind of content you want, you need to know what you're looking for. And that will help you decide who, as a creator, you're going to seek out. Now, once you know what you're looking for, you're going to go out and search a lot of creators. Now, obviously, if you're looking for a video creator, you may look on YouTube, like where I'm at right now. You may look on Twitch. You may look at some other things. There's a lot of options out there. If you're looking for written word, maybe you'll go to Upwork, something else where you're looking for a freelancer, looking for somebody to write for you. If you're looking for podcasts, obviously, you can go to a podcast channel or whatever you're looking for there. But you need to know kind of what you want done, and then that'll help you to find who you're looking for. And you're going to search a lot. Spend time researching people, brands, whatever else, whatever you want done. Research that person or brand and really kind of get a feel for them before you contact them. So you know this person or this channel, etc., looks like it's really going to be a good fit. At least they have the same content. If it's niche-y, like it's car stuff, if it's beauty, if it's hairstyling, obviously you're going to try and stay within your niche or within your type. And that'll help you kind of focus and narrow down your search. So the next three are kind of all tied together, but I'm going to keep them separate a little bit. One thing you need to know is what budget you have available. Now you may have an advertising budget for your business, etc. Whether maybe you're doing right now, you're doing online Facebook ads or Instagram. And by doing content, you can take some of that money that you have put into advertising, maybe you put it in now into content creation and use that there. But you know how much you can spend. Maybe it's $10, $100, $1,000, 10,000. I mean, sky's the limit, right? But you should know how much you have available, kind of a little pot of money, whether it's spread out for multiple people or one person or one channel, etc. You need to know how much money you can spend. That will help dictate kind of who you can afford and then kind of a time frame also. Now, speaking of time frame, the next thing you need to know is what the schedule is you're looking for. Are you looking for a daily written article, daily blog post? Are you looking for a picture every day on Instagram, a video every day or every 3 days? That kind of stuff makes a difference because every time you need something done, a lot of times it's going to cost you money. So the more you want, probably the more you're going to spend. So there's got to be a kind of a balance in there. Now, the last thing of these three is probably going to be something I'm going to call deliverables. You need to know what you're looking for. Obviously, if you're looking for audio content, video content, written, etc., you may have a length, you may have a topic, you may have a word content you're looking for. You got to kind of have deliverables. What you want, when you want it, and then what should the output look like or sound like or be like so that you know basically you're paying for what you want. Obviously, when you're looking for somebody, one thing you want to know is some references to them. So if you're looking for somebody on YouTube to do video creation, it's pretty easy to kind of look through their channel, look through their videos, and kind of get a sense of who the person is or the brand is or the channel is. You can watch some of their content, see, I don't know, they cuss a lot, and that may not be for you. I don't know, they really do a lot of gross jokes. That's not for me. You can kind of watch a lot of the content, even reading articles and that, kind of get a feel for how the person or the channel, brand, etc., how they do their content and see if it really fits for you. Maybe there's really nothing out there. You're looking for somebody that's kind of raunchy, that's crazy, that can really get some buzz for your brand. And that's great. There are people out there. On the flip side of that, maybe you're looking for somebody for some kids' toys and you need them to be very wholesome, very Mr. Rogers, and you may want them to be in a cardigan sweater. So who knows? But just keep that in mind. When you're looking for content, just kind of get a feel for who the person is. Ask for references. Ask for past work. If you can't find a lot of it, see what they're up to. See what they've been doing. It'll really help you out to know if they're a good fit for you. Now, once you have somebody, I would say definitely do a trial basis with them, whether it's a limited contract or however you're going to do it. But make sure it's in writing. So don't ever do anything for free, guys, and don't ever ask anybody for free. Make sure it's in writing and it's on a trial basis. Make sure it's going to fit well. Maybe you write 3 articles, you write 1 article, you do 3 videos. I don't know. But anyway, do it on a limited basis. Make sure it's a really good fit before you commit long term. And committing in writing, don't spend a lot of money on something that you're not going to be happy with. Do it on a little bit, like a sampler, and I think you'll be really happy with the results. Either it's not or is going to work, but it's an easy way to find out without a lot of hassle. All right, so for the 9th thing, I'm going to say that once you have creators chosen, give them some extra nuggets of information. Anybody can look at a website to see a product, but give your creators access to stuff that's kind of behind the scenes. Whether it could be technical information, it could be how the product is made, just some kind of maybe how the product came about, maybe how it was invented and that. Let them use some of that information to kind of draw people into the product or the story. Make them, let them do their thing and really kind of showcase how great this thing is to really help build your product or your brand. Anybody can look at a website. I can read a product description based on Amazon or eBay or anything else. But give me something else that makes me want to go, ooh, I want to check that out. And the last thing I'm going to ask you, if you're looking for a creator, is that once you have somebody, please let them do their thing and be themselves. You've worked this far to kind of vet them out. At this point, it's all hands on deck and let them go. What I mean by that is if they are goofy, let them be goofy. If they cuss a lot, let them cuss. It doesn't really matter, but you have selected somebody to kind of represent you. And at this point, let the horses out of the barn and let them run. All right, so if you're looking for a creator, hopefully these 10 things give you some kind of pulling behind the curtain of things that you should look for and be able to talk about with potential creators, etc. Now, beyond that, I will say make sure to always give your creators feedback. If you like a video, you don't like a video, you like something they've written, something they said, give them feedback. It's okay. It's a working relationship back and forth. If you like their way they're doing something or don't, it's okay. Make sure that you just kind of give them feedback, stay in touch with them. And I will say beyond that, their product, what you're paying for, is really in your hands to do what you want with it. You could throw it in the waste bin, or you can promote the heck out of it and let it go viral. So that's it, guys. Canaan from Basin Motorsports. Those are 10 things that I took away and put together for SEMA. So if you're looking for a creator like me that can either do video, obviously, or written or audio or anything else, this is what you need to go look for. So hopefully this helps. And if not, well, we'll see you next time anyway.